Hospital ship. Army doctor boards on a hospital ship, which is a floating hospital that serves the people who live in a remote island. But were this doctor interested in helping the underprivileged people for free? Not at all. A bunch of doctors with a different background find themselves afloat at sea. They are too old to be called as the youthful doctor, as they are all in their 30s. Though they have a skill obtained from long years of studying in a medical school, their hearts and souls are barren. This is a coming of age story about doctors who have experienced the setback in life that they are trying to bounce back from while they learn how to be the compassionate doctor and pursue the fulfilling life. In this process, they also fall in love and experience the romance. After that, we have the good doctor. A man named Park Shi-on is a doctor with the autistic 7 disorder who has the mentality of a 10-year-old boy. He overcomes the bias and discrimination by the society and his workmates and become a pediatrician by utilizing his exceptional abilities that illness brings to him, and he can heal the people more goodly and more intelligently than the normal people, and this excellence give him the part of the life and also bring a love in his life. After that, we have the Doctor Stranger. As a child, the Park Hyun and his father were kidnapped by North Korea. In North Korea, he was trained to become a doctor by his father, who was already a doctor. Park Hyun becomes a genius like heart surgeon. He then flees to South Korea. Park Hyun begins to work as a doctor in a South Korea's top hospital, Myungnu University Hospital, but he feels like a complete outsider. To bring his love from North Korea, he does anything to make money to bring his father back, and in this process, he meets his fellow mates, and then his life changes the 360 degree. After that, we have the drama Blood. The Park Si-sung is a doctor who is specializing in the hepatopancreatobiliary surgery in the best cancer research hospital in the country. He is also a vampire. Despite seeming cold and unfeeling, the Ji-sang makes his soft heart and inner pain and yearn for the closeness with the people. He believes very strongly in the sanctity of a human life and suppresses his thirst for a blood to treat terminally ill patients and save lives. Among his colleagues is Yu Rita, a hot-shot physician who entered the medical school at the age of 17 and is also the niece of the Chaebol Group chairman who owns the hospital. Rita is highly capable but snooty and prideful, yet Ji-sang finds himself falling for her. Emergency couple. The Jin-hee led a satisfying life as a dietitian. She met the medical school student Jang Chang-min. Despite his wealthy family's strong opposition, the Jin-hee and Chang-min decided to get married, and they get married. But after the marriage, his family is full of doctors, and Chang-min though gave up his medical internship and began working as a pharmaceutical salesman. Their marriage life was not happy. The Chang-min family looked down on a Jin-hee, and even Chang-min seems to change after marriage. The Chang-min began to think terribly of a Jin-hee, and they finally get divorced. After their divorce, the Jin-hee became a medical student and now work as an intern. Chang-min also graduated from the medical school and begins to work as an intern. One day they meet in the emergency room for the hospital where they will work together. After we have doctors. The Yoo Hae-jung was a tough bully in a school with a pricky personality and always goes wayward. She had many scars from her childhood, and through self-preservation, the Hae-jung keeps her heart shut away from other people. However, she changes after meeting her mentor Hong Ji-hong, who play a key role in transferring her life from a helpless gangster to a compassionate doctor. And also in this process, they both start to fall in love with each other and also heal the people with a real illness. After that, we have a Doctor Romantic. The Kim Sa-boo was once a famous surgeon at the peak of his career at a major hospital, but he suddenly gave it up all one day to live in a silkation and work as a neighborhood doctor in a small town. He now goes by the teacher Kim and referred to himself as a Doctor Romantic. Meanwhile, the Kang Dun-ju became a doctor to make something of himself after growing up poor, and he seeks out the VIP patient to achieve the success at that he desperately wants. The Yoon Soo-jung is a woman who is a passionate young surgeon who is haunted by a mistake from her past and tries to get over it. When a Dong-ju and a Soo-jung meet the quirky teacher Kim, their life and career will never be the same again, and it all changes. Doctor Romantic 2. It is a story about the people who meet the Kim Sa-boo, a genius doctor, and discover the real romance. One day he disappears from the eyes of the public, quietly becoming the chief surgeon at the Doldam hospital in the countryside. After he conducted a successful operation on a chairman Shin, he gets to improve the hospital under reliable support. But then the chairman Shin passes away and an old foe returns. Now the people appear and his student had to leave the hospital. Furthermore, his wrist, which was injured 3 years ago, start to act the weird. The Kim Sa-boo decided to go to the Hitch hospital himself to solve the manpower shortage at Doldam, where he found the two people who resemble his former student but who seems much more lacking. Soo Joo Jin, who will do anything for money, and Cha Yoon Jae get nauseous every time she tries to perform the surgery. and there the three life changes. Hospital Playlist Season 1 and Season 2. A drama depicting the story of a people going through their days that are seemingly ordinary but actually special at the hospital, a place known as the microcosm of life, where someone is being born and someone life meet their ending. The five doctors are long-time friend of a 20 years who started their undergraduation in 1999 in the same medical school, and now they are colleagues in the same hospital. The drama will also deal with the story of a band formed by the group of doctors, and a season 2 is a continuation of a season 1 with some new faces. We are going to see the season 2 for sure, and also some new story adding in the season 2.